सर एपेक्स पॅनलान टायगर रिझर्वा खातीर पुश केला तुमची कितें पळय?
No, the CEC basically has given a report that in favor that the tiger reserve should be implemented. We welcome this decision. Right from day one, the High Court जेन्ना decision घेतलेले, at that time we were very vocal that it needs to be implemented. And vis-a-vis its implication on Madai, जेन्ना हे tiger reserve declare जातले, मादईचे कितें जातलें, and we welcome it today in detail. जेन्ना phase 1 सांगलेलें आसा हे implement करपाक जाय within 3 months. Government of Goa, after getting this order, should implement it immediately. And phase 2 जे पडे हा हितूनय technically it is said that you all should consider Madai as well. So म्हाका दिसता जे habitation हा हांकां सगळ्याक लोकांक कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवन हे इफेक्टिवली जरी तर वी आर प्रोटेक्टिंग द टायगर्स, इट हॅज टू बी बाय टेकिंग ऑल द पीपल इन टू कॉन्फिडन्स. सो हे सगळे जायन म्हाका दिसता हे मुखार इट अ टायट स्लॅप ऑन द गव्हर्मेंट that was trying to defend a decision that was anti-tiger, that was anti-establishment. And म्हाका दिसता आज सुप्रीम कोर्टात जे CEC कमिटीचो रिपोर्ट दिला, we are welcoming and we truly believe that this government should implement it immediately.